Hello friends, I hope you are well. In today's recipe, we will see how to make crispy chicken with few ingredients at home. If you want, let's move on to our recipe immediately, without wasting time. First of all, we cut one chicken breast into thin strips. In the meantime, we take the excess middle part. And our other process continues in the same way. I only used half of the chicken breast in this recipe. The measurements in the recipe are already made according to half the ingredients. You can increase this measurement if you want. You will find the large detail of the recipe below. For the marinade of the meat, 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of sweet chili powder, half a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt juice of half a lemon. And finally, add 4 tablespoons of olive oil and mix until homogeneous. And if you want it to have a very good consistency, I recommend using strained yogurt. Add the marinade sauce to the chicken and mix, and wrap it with cling film. If you have time for at least 2 hours, let it rest in the refrigerator for a day. After the chicken marinating process, we can now cook our crispy chickens. For this, in a deep bowl, add 3½ cups of flour, half a glass of starch, a teaspoon of ginger, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of red pepper powder, and mix until homogeneous. Transfer some of the flour mixture we have made to the other container. Add water and stir until it thickens. The most important point to pay attention to is this: our sauce is neither too solid nor too liquid. Our aim here is for our sauce to cover the chicken well. In the meantime, we can pour our oil into the pot and heat it slowly. Yes, now it's time to prepare our crispy chickens. Flour our chickens respectively. Then our sauce. And finally dust with flour so that there is no wet spot. And prepare the others in the same way. Yes, only with flour, without any other coating. If you want to make crispy chicken that is soft on the inside and crispy on the outside, I say don't miss this recipe. Another trick in crispy chicken is that the oil has reached the required temperature. So the degree of oil should be around 165 degrees. If there is no degree in our house, dip a wooden spoon into the oil, and if bubbles are formed, our oil is ready. We throw our floured chickens into our hot oil. We wait until the top is browned. This takes about 4 to 5 minutes. By the way, if you like the video, don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel for more. You can serve with a sauce of your choice. First of all, thank you for watching the video. Bon appetit to those who have already tried. Hope to see you again. I wish everyone a good day.